Hey, what's up guys, it's Sebastian. Sorry for the lighting before we start this video. I'm in a dark room right now. That sounds kind of weird, but in this video I'm going to show you guys two websites that I found with a new product research method that I'll explain in this video. All it requires is a phone, very simple to do, and you can find quite a few products that are crushing it. I will show you some examples of how I found these products and then show you how you can somewhat replicate this, because this has a lot of potential to scale products to the moon. I'm not talking like $100 days. This whole strategy is something crazy that you can actually go viral with a certain product if you have it structured properly. So without further ado, before we get into this video, smash the like button and click subscribe below. And if you have questions, just drop them in the comment section below. But now that that's out of the way, we're going to get into this method because again, it is sick. Also, I saw a reflection on my glasses, so sorry for that. But without further ado, we're gonna hop into my computer. So this first product and site is called starface.world. And as you can see, this website is crazy. So when you follow with your pointer or your arrow or whatever, it has its own smiley face built into the website, which is nuts. And just their custom content is nuts. Everything set up with this website is completely insane. Like, look at these. All these videos and GIFs for these products are just nuts. So we're going to go to the product, and I'm going to explain exactly how they grew this product. They're doing at least a few $100,000 a month at minimum, probably more though. I'm saying probably closer to $1 million a month, just based off of the stuff I've seen and how they're running the site. So if you've seen these products before, it's a pimple or acne sticker. So basically what it is it's a sticker that has good like chemicals or good stuff on it, like ointment for your pimples, and it basically heals them. So you put the sticker on your pimple and it will heal the pimple. It will make it disappear in a few days or something along those lines. So they sell a 32 pack with this awesome looking branded case for $20 for 32 stickers. Now I pulled up an Alibaba listing for this same product and figured out that they're getting the product. All these costs just for the stickers are probably around 50 cents for 32 stickers, which is completely, like, that's almost no money for a $20 product. And then also they do have this case. I'm going to assume this case is worth more than the actual stickers just based off the looks of it. It looks very nice, has their logo and everything on it. I'm guessing they pay more for that case than the actual product itself, because presentation is everything. You could definitely sell this product and just ship them in envelopes, because again, it's just a sheet of paper with these stickers on them, and that could sell fine, but they went a completely different approach and branded this product. So how did I find this product? Because it's a great product, but how was it presented to me? On TikTok, people show off things that they bought because of TikTok. So I'll go on my phone right now and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's silence the volume. Basically, what you can do on TikTok is you can literally search up TikTok made me buy it and go on the videos, and you can scroll through for hours and almost find never-ending videos of products that people have bought in the past few months from TikTok, which is very valuable because you're seeing what consumers are constantly buying during certain months. They're buying different things, and it's crazy to think that it's that simple to just find products. So that's what I did on this product. This product specifically is great because TikTok is filled with people under 20 years old, like teenagers and ages like that, where kids are just going through puberty and are now having tons of breakouts and stuff. So if they see this and they see a good alternative to make pimples not look so weird and odd with just a simple star sticker, they would definitely buy this product, which is why it sells so well. Now this product, yes, it is very cool, but again, they took a very branded approach with this website and put a lot of time and money into this content and their overall website design, which means they probably have a solid team doing all of this stuff and helping out, because again, look at this branding. It's a sick package, and the box that holds the stickers look awesome, and everything just looks amazing from the moment you get the package. The box, again, looks so sick. So they have a great branded approach, and they have almost 700 reviews, which is unreal on a website. You usually get, like, I would say 1 to 3% of your buyers are going to review your product. So if they have 700 reviews and they get like 1% of all their buyers review, that means they're doing they've done like 70,000 sales, which is over 1.4 million. But I'm assuming they're doing way more than that, because this is not a product where you just buy it and that's it. You buy the product and you run out after 32 pimple patches. After you're done, you need to get more because, again, if you see results, you're going to buy it again, which means they have this monthly subscriptions option right here, where if you select once a month, they'll send it to you for $18 or every 2 months or every 3 months. So you can have these upsells on this website like they have, where they are offering this and increasing people's AOV because of the fact that they're able to have people locked in for monthly subscriptions, paying them monthly. So again, I'm saying they're probably doing millions of dollars a year, probably like close to 8 figures, if not more, and all from just a simple pimple patch. So this is a great product, great branded approach. And again, I found this product from just typing in things TikTok made me buy, or TikTok made me buy it, or bought this because of TikTok. Just on TikTok, I went on and searched it up, and again, very simple to do. You guys can do the same. Now we're going to go into another product. This next one is probably way more valuable than this product because of one specific reason. It has so much demand around it and hype, but the product sold out on the website that they're selling it on, which is Amazon. Now this next product is the Chom Chom Roller. It basically picks up dog hair, cat hair, lint, stuff like that, and you just roll it over whatever you're trying to pick up. Like if you're rolling it on a blanket because the blanket's all furry, or your clothes, you can do that. And this product has gone super viral on TikTok. So here is the actual video on TikTok that I saw.
So TikTok influenced me to buy this Chomp Chomp roller. So we're gonna try it out. It's supposed to pick up hair. So here it is empty. I tried it earlier to see if it actually works. And it does. So I'm gonna do it to my floor. You can see the hair on my floor. Paxton. He thinks it's a toy. Pax, stop. Okay. Wow. Holy crap. Buy this if you have a dog.
As you can see, very native advertising. I don't even think this person got paid for this video, and it has almost 1 million likes, which is nuts because it's literally just showing the product being used. So that video probably generated this brand a few $1,000s just from that one viral video. When you combine that with tons of word of mouth marketing and then having all of these other TikTokers buy it and repeat the same process like TikTok made me buy it, where it's just a domino effect of all of these people posting like, oh, I saw this on TikTok and bought it. Oh, I also saw this Chom Chom roller on TikTok and bought it. That will create so much hype around this product, and obviously they're doing crazy numbers. They have 14,000 reviews. Again, I explained, even if they're getting 5 or 10% of their customers to review the product, 14,000 reviews, if that's 10%, they're getting 140,000 orders at $25. That is quite a bit of money that they've generated from this product, and I think it's more than that. I'm almost positive it is because, again, this is a very cool product, and it's kind of branded, like it's not crazy branded, but again, it's a sick product. Now, I ended up coming on to Alibaba and found the product for $1.28 to $1.60, and Chom Chom is selling it for $25, and they are sold out. They are currently unavailable, meaning there is a lot, again, like I said before I showed the product, a lot of hype around this product, meaning there's a lot of demand, meaning you can fill this market and sell it. So yes, you understand like the product and how it has hype around it, but now you may be wondering like, how do you actually get it to go viral? I would do something very simple. I would probably order these, like 5 of them or 10 of them, and even if you're dropshipping, still order some, contact the supplier, ask them if they can dropship. And I use Alibaba. I don't really use AliExpress anymore. It's too slow processing times. I deal with the suppliers directly rather than a third party that's just like drop shipping the product from the supplier to me, because they tend to take too long to process the orders, and sometimes they don't even ship your orders out. So again, I just use Alibaba, go direct to the supplier. But I would basically just contact this person who's selling the product on Alibaba, get like 5 or 10, again, like I said, shipped to you so that you can send them out to influencers, and just send them to people who have a decent amount of followers and have pets on their videos. And then they can say like, oh yeah, I just got this because of TikTok. It's called the dog, I don't really know, dog hair remover. It has to be a cool catchy name, like Chom Chom is very catchy. It's simple to remember, but this is a big market that's open right now that has a lot of room for growth, again, because they are sold out of the product, so they can't really sell anything. So if someone comes onto this page and is like, oh, the Chom Chom roller, and in their head they're like, yeah, I want to buy it, and then they see it's unavailable, maybe they go on Google and type in like dog hair removal or dog hair roller, or if they see another TikTok video like, hey guys, the Chomp Chomp roller is sold out. But there's this other one called the, I don't really know, I'm not gonna make up a name on the spot, I'm not good at that, but there's this other one that's for sale and they sell it for $24 instead of $25, and they have great shipping times and it does the same thing. So if you guys want it, check it out. Or like having a video on TikTok just like that would work extremely well. Okay, also fun fact, if we can find it, I'll show you something that's pretty funny. Actually, here it is. So right here, I dropshipped this product last year, if you can see what I'm talking about. This hair remover tool, it did pretty decent on Facebook. I scaled it to like $1,000 a day, and then I had another product that popped off, so I stopped selling that one. But this product did really well for me, again, like $1,000 a day. And it's funny because now this product's out and it's basically the same thing. It just has a different type of compartment that holds the dog fur and stuff. So I know this product sells, and obviously, again, they have 14,000 reviews, which means they're doing big numbers. And if anyone wants to sell it, I suggest you hop in. So hope you guys again did enjoy this video. If you did make it to the end, smash that like button, click subscribe below, drop a comment if you have any questions. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I have not eaten lunch, by the way, so if I like seemed a little off right now or today in this video, is because I haven't eaten lunch. So I just feel like empty and get a little pissed off. I was supposed to have Chipotle be delivered to me, but it's taking forever, so we had to film the video on an empty stomach, which is ass. But that's about it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.